Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube vlog. For today's vlog, I'm gonna talk about how to connect your DJI Pocket Wi-Fi 2 if you're like having troubleshooting wirelessly. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. So before our topic start, we're gonna connect our DJI Pocket 2 to our phone. I only have one phone, so I only have one recording. So I'm just gonna do it like the mirror shot. So your Pocket Wi-Fi 2 cannot find your phone using your Wi-Fi. So what we're gonna do is connect the connect your DJI Pocket 2 to your phone using your USB. It's either USB-C or the iPhone. After that, go to the menu button. Wait for a moment. So this is the interface. Press this 3 button over here. Afterward, press the window. After pressing the window, you will see the Wi-Fi settings. So it can be find. So I'm gonna press the Wi-Fi setting. So you can choose from 2 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz. Don't press the auto because if it's on auto, it will not search your Wi-Fi settings. So I prefer, if you're gonna do it, first to choose 2 gigahertz. If you cannot find it, still choose 5 gigahertz until you find your proper wave of Wi-Fi. After that, restart your Wi-Fi and then restart your phone and turn off your DJI, and then open it again, and then put your DJI Pocket 2 to the do it with your own handle, and probably it's gonna search for it. So if you like this kind of video, please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. It will really help a lot. Thank you so much.
Tayo na sa sinuwala, kasi natin ang sinesya. Buksan ang pag-iisip, tayo'y likas na sayangin. Tayo na sa sinuwala, kasi natin ang sinesya. Kinabukasan ng ating bayan, siguradong makakamtan.